the importance of Windows updates in IT maintenance. Hey there, business superheroes. Today, we're diving into a frequent topic that many of us might overlook: Windows updates. Yes, those little notifications that often pop up at the most inconvenient times. You might be wondering, is it really that important? Spoiler alert, yes. Let's talk about why keeping your computer up to date is crucial for your business. All right, first things first. What exactly are these Windows updates? Think of them as vital vitamins for your computer. They help improve performance, patch security holes, and introduce new features. Just like you wouldn't live on junk food alone, your PC doesn't thrive on outdated software. Still not convinced? Let's break it down. Imagine your computer as a castle. A strong castle needs strong walls. Windows updates are like the builders adding bricks to keep those pesky invaders, aka cyber threats, out. And trust me, nobody wants uninvited guests at their castle party. Now I know you're busy, but here's the thing. Skipping those updates is like saying, I'm too busy to secure my castle. The longer you wait, the more vulnerabilities pop up, waiting for hackers to sneak in like they're robbing a bank. Not exactly what you want to happen on a Tuesday morning, right? Let's talk risks. Cyber threats like ransomware and malware may feast on outdated systems, and with small businesses often being prime targets for attacks, not updating your system could cost you way more than just your coffee budget. We're talking about losing data, time, and let's be honest, your sanity. Yikes. So bottom line, update your systems. It's not just about improving features, it's about protecting your people and your business. Updating is easy. Just click on that little window icon, navigate to Settings, then Update and Security, and voila. You're on your way to a safer and more efficient computer. And if you hear that familiar sound of Windows updating, celebrate it. It's like the sound of your castle getting an upgrade. I know what you're thinking, but what if it interrupts my work? Well, you can set updates to install outside of work hours. It's like a ninja in the night, quiet and effective, ensuring your system is safe while you dream about transforming your business into the next big success. So remember, small business owners and fabulous managers, the next time you see that Windows Update notification, don't ignore it, embrace it. Because updating is just another superhero move in your IT maintenance toolkit. Stay safe, stay updated, subscribe for more IT tips.